Hey guys. Now, the uneducated amongst you would probably assume that these are AirPods, but of course, from the packaging and the design, it's pretty obvious these are the Chinese rip-off. I think I paid about £7 for these from the website Wish, which is connoisseur of Chinese crap. And I don't know if you can see the specs on this. Let me try and focus in a little bit better for you. So apparently they're the specs. You have 3 to 4 hours supposedly, charging time of 1 to 2 hours, and they come in this case. And it is apparently compatible with iOS and Android devices. I don't own any iOS devices, so I can't test them out. But I can test it on this Android phone I have and see what it's like. So that's the packaging. Not the best packaging, but what do you expect? You get this kind of foam thing. Okay. And some cardboard. Here's the case, the pod, which I don't really have earpods, so I can't really tell you how they compare, but it looks bloody big. It looks certainly bigger than the Apple version. Anyway, I've got my MacBook running here, my old classic 2009, mid 2009 MacBook, running on an SSD. Just for a bit of background. So that's the charging cable. So I'm assuming it runs off micro USB. And you get another cable which has these weird connectors. I'm assuming these are what charges each earpod. I can't really get a good focus on these. They kind of look like a bit like a 2.5mm headphone jack. There you go. So those are these. Very strange. So let's see if we can open up this. It comes in a little bag. Okay, so there's the charging point for the case. Then what's the point of this then? It doesn't really make any sense. Okay, so let's flip this. And I ordered the red ones, but I've ended up with the gold. But okay. Whatever. So they look pretty similar. Yeah, there's a charging port. I don't know if you have to charge these separately or what the hell. How it works. Assuming this button here gives you an indication of how much charge you've got, and as you can see, these are completely dead. Bit of a wide ear section there. Bit strange. And that's the other one. I'm pretty sure I had the red, but never mind, I got the gold, whatever. It's just rather simply painted as gold. And there's the charging case. I assume it's the charging case. I have no idea if you charge this or what. You're supposed to charge each earphone individually. There's some Chinese gubbins here. I don't even know if there's an English version. Let me have a look. True wireless stereo earphones manual. So some specifications here. 12 meters with no obstacles. Single earbud mode. Okay. So you can use one ear. A little bit strange. So each earbud has a 55 milliamp, I'm assuming that's supposed to be milliamp, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and the charging dock. So it does actually charge from the dock. Pairing with one earbud. So you long press the multifunction button, and then you get a flashing light for Bluetooth. Why would you want to charge one earbud? I want to sync one earbud. Really strange. Don't really see that as a feature that's going to catch on. There will be only one earbud working when answering phone calls. Okay. It's a bit odd. Listening to music. Okay. I'll have to give these a go, see if they actually work. I sincerely suspect that they don't, but hey ho. There's your charging pod. Yeah, that's quite big in comparison. Oh, it does actually light up. So I'm assuming that that can charge these. Oh, there was a red light then. Very strange. Okay, so that's charging them, I guess. Is that in the right way? Okay. Very strange. Lots of LED action going on here. But there you go. There's the cheap Chinese knockoff of the AirPods. Not £150, but £7. So there you go. Have a great day. And probably don't buy these. But I'm going to try them out, see what they're like. And if they're any good, I may make another video. But I seriously doubt it. Peace.